All right, guys, it's Sunday morning. We're going to get on a little practice. I'm gonna throw the 5454 hardway set just to see if I've got any, what's going on with my dice, if they're on axis, off axis, all that good stuff. We're gonna continue on pressing the 5 and 9 and then regressing. Anyway, let's see what we got. We've got 320 across. We've got a quarter on the pass line and 5-15-5 on the bonus. We got a 4-4 hard 8. It's going to be our point. Right here, the fan in there. Got a little airflow in this garage. 5454. Purple die is going to be on my left. Green die is going to be on the right. We got a 5-5 hard 10. It'll be $2. It's going to pay 100. I pressed the 9. That's my $2 bid. I know in Lake Charles we have to pay the bid up front, but on my table we pay it after we get it. $415. 50's gonna pay 70. We're gonna drop a nickel and take the 5 to 125. $75 for 5. Left eye off axis with that 1 right there. Three hard 6. Drop a nickel. 75. Make the 5 150. 200 on the 9. I may have to start going the hard way set if I can avoid the double pitch. That's three hard ways already and 4 rolls. And that's going to be a 5-1-6. 5-1-6. Drop a nickel, collect 75, 250, 175. That was the right die off axis. 5-3-8 is going to be our point. Pay a quarter for that. Pass line. Make them both 300. 5/3 the point. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and regress. Since I have this, I can get all my money back. That's 250, 3, 3. We're gonna put 450 in the rack. Now we're out of the hand. No worries. That's going to be our points of 5, 5, 10. I'm going to go ahead and put a nickel on the hardways. I don't normally bet the hardways, but I don't normally throw the hardway set. I was watching Casino's Tears podcast the other day. They were talking about kind of getting an idea of what's going on. I've been staying on axis and getting some primary face hits. Every now and then I'll get one that's off axis. We got a 314. That's going to pay 100 for $2. Since it's a 4, we'll press the 5 first. That's going to be my left die off axis. My hard 4 is gone. Whoa, and that's a 3, 1, 4. $2 for 100. 5 and 9 there. We hit that 4 again, we're going to press it up. That's 2 4s. Whoa, way short. That's a 1, 2, 3. Sometimes we see the dice do odd stuff at the casino, and I know I've been paranoid in the past. I've got to clean my glasses. But I see it weird here. Dice they'll hit that felt just perfectly and they'll check up, won't bounce, won't do anything. So it's just the nature of the game. Whoa, 6-5 yo. 6-5 yo. It's going to be the right die off axis. Better. 5, 5, hard 10. That's going to pay 125. And then the hard 10 is going to pay 435. Make that a quarter. Make that 10. We'll press all of that hardway money. We're not working anything, so we'll see what we got going on here. 5, 4, 5, 4. Easy. don't know what I have down here. Let's go look. And we got a 6.5 yoke. And that's a 4/4 hard 8. That was a 4/4 hard 8. That one was over here. That one was here, that one was there. I don't know what the hardway's paid. 9 times 5 is 45. Make that a quarter. Make that a quarter. Make that hard 410. All right, let's go. I always work my hardways if I have them. I very seldom bet them, so I don't even know the payouts. That's going to be a 6/5 11. We're going to make the 5 200 and the 9 150. I had that money in the rack sitting there, so I forgot to press it. Five, 3, 8. $75 for 5. We're gonna put 425 in the rack. I'll owe myself another quarter also, because that was the point. So I'll take this pass line and go back on that hard 8. And we're coming out looking for everything. We're working our hard ways. I don't know if y'all can see my table down here, but it is filthy. I'm in a garage and it is full of dust. 314, gonna be our point. Tell you what, I'm gonna take $50 out of the rack and add it to these odds. I don't know if you guys watch the Casino Tiers podcast. They have guests every Thursday. Starts at 8 o'clock Central Time. It's a great podcast. That's going to be an ace deuce. 1, 2, 3. We're looking for aces for the smalls. We're looking for midnight and the 9 for the all. Ooh, that was come in real high, and that's another ace deuce. That's going to be the right dial of axis, last 2 throws. I'm about a $24 horn. $1 change. We'll put a stop to those damn horn numbers one way or another. Wouldn't mind hitting aces right here. Whoa, that was going to be ugly. There's that 9 we've been looking for. I'm going to drop $5. Pay 75. Take that 9 to 125. Anyway, what I was saying is that casino tiers, I'll tell you what, you get information on that. They've had some wonderful people on there. Recently, they've had Alfredo. Last Thursday, they had Craftsmaster Journey Joe. Always good guest. Always good information to be had. Tony Leo's been on there. That's going to be back-to-back 549. And that's going to pay $175. And we're going to go back to 50. It's okay to put money in the rack. It is okay to put money in the rack. I've had a bad time. I like to press everything, press, and all of a sudden red comes. I've got 2 9s that I hadn't marked. So, 5, 4, 5, 4. When I get in when I'm throwing in a session, especially at the casino, I refuse to change my die set. Now, sometimes I will take the same die set and just roll them over to see if I can get a different number. But for the most part, I'm not going to target trying to hit aces or midnight, because my money's made out here. You know, that bonus would be great, but if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, I'm out a quarter. Three, 3, hard 6. Gotta get my red dug out of here. Press the 9 up to 125, and then that's going to be 250, so 225. 225. We'll take 200. We'll make the 9 250 and the 5 125. We got that 4 back. We got another part 6. So, Thursday evening, 8 o'clock, get on YouTube, Casino Tiers, watch 10 Ton and his guest. You're going to learn stuff just by watching it. There's great banter in the chat. They answer any questions you have. And we got a double pitch 5-2-7 out. So, that's what I've won on this roll. Let's just count it up. take 350 out. 350 is where we started. And we've got 300, 4, 5, 6, 75. 675 profit. Not bad in 10 or 15 minutes. All right, brother. I'm out of here. Looks like I got a voicemail.